Okay, students, question number 22. Question number 22 of circular measures. Now, what we have in this question, the diagram is given a big right angle triangle, and there are two arcs or the two sectors. The first sector is with center A, an arc OP. The second sector is with center B, an arc OQ, right? There are two circles, two sectors with the different sectors. We have to calculate, show that first angle BAO. We have to prove that angle BAO. It's very simple. It's a right angle triangle. How can we calculate angle BAO? It will be tan A is equal to opposite over adjacent 12. What is angle BAO? The angle BAO is 0.3948, and this we have to prove in the first part. Any confusion? Simple. After that, we have to calculate the shaded area. We have to calculate the shaded area. अब सुनिएगा, how to calculate the shaded area? सुनिए. First, I am calculating the area of right angle triangle. It will be half base height. So it is 30. Any confusion? Clear? After that, area 2. I'm saying that, let's say this is area 2. And how to calculate area 2? From the big triangle, if we subtract this sector, we'll get the area 2. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
From the triangle, if we subtract this sector, then we'll get area 2. Simple. So I'm calculating from the whole triangle, if we subtract this sector, then we'll get area 2. Right? Now, so area 2 is area of triangle minus area of the sector BOQ, half R squared theta. And theta is B, but we don't have the value of B. But here we have a right angle triangle. Sum of all angles equals to 90 degrees means pi radians. So it will be pi minus pi by 2 minus 0.3948. By this we'll get area 2. What is area 2? What is area 2? One point one 1.176. Now area 3. Let's say this is area 3. And area 3 is from the triangle, if we subtract area of AOP, this sector. Area of this sector, so we'll get area 3, right? So now it will be 30 minus half. What is the radius for the second? 12, half R squared theta, and theta is 0.3948. So what is area 3? Yes, what is area 3? 1.5 0.74. Therefore, the final answer is from the triangle subtract area 2 and area 3. So what is the final answer? What is the final answer? But there is confusion in the calculation of area 2. It is 15.3. So now, what is the final answer? $13.13. This is the final answer. Clear? Now, question number 23 from October number 14, paper 1-3. The diagram is given. The perimeter of the shaded region. We have to calculate the perimeter of the shaded region. So in the first part, always for the perimeter, you have to write the boundaries, right? So perimeter of the shaded region is AB, straight line, plus BC, straight line, plus AC, arc. These are the things. So do we have the AB side? No, we don't have the AB side. Do we have the BC? No, we don't have the. Do we have AC side? No, ये भी नहीं है हमारे पास. So how to do this? किस तरीके से ये solve होगा? अब कुछ properties यहाँ पर use करते हैं और according to the properties फिर हम working start करते हैं. If I join B with O, if I join B with O, can I say that now the angle is pi by 6? Can I say that the angle is pi by 6? Right? If this angle is pi by 6, this angle is 90. So what is this angle? This angle is pi by 3. So if this angle is pi by 3, so can I say that this angle is also pi by 3? According to this, the radius is 3. We'll get AC directly, and AC is r theta. AC is arc length. ADC is arc length, or AC is the arc length. So I'm writing r theta. The radius is 3, and the theta is pi by 3 plus pi by 3 is 2 pi by 3. It is 2 pi by 3. Now we have to calculate the length BC. It's a right angle triangle BCD. It's a right angle triangle BCD where this length is 3. Where this length is 3. Here is a right angle triangle. The angle B is given, the angle O is given. We are able to calculate this BC side. I'm calculating side BC. How to calculate side BC? I'm using sine. I'm using sine pi by 6. Sorry. Yes. I'm using tan pi by 6 is equal to opposite 3 over adjacent is BC. So what is BC? It is 3 divided by tan pi by 6. What is tan pi by 6? What is tan pi by 6? Tan pi by 6 is under root 3 upon 3? Yes. Okay. Tan pi by 6 is under root 3 upon 3. It is under root 3 upon 3 equals to 3 upon BC. So the BC length is 9 over under root 3. The BC length is 9 over under root 3. Yes. Which is equals to 3 under root 3. Now, the BC length is 3 under root 3. And same for AB 3 under root 3. So what is the final answer? 6 under root 3 plus 2 pi. This is the final answer of the perimeter. We have to write the answer in terms of under root 3 and pi. Right? We don't have to write in decimal. It is given. Write the answer in terms of under root 3 and pi. Next one, the second. Area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region is area of the complete diagram minus area of the. So I'm calculating area of the complete diagram. The complete diagram consists of two triangles. And what is the area of the triangle? We have the length BC 3 under root 3. We have the length CO, which is 3, and it's a right angle triangle. So if I calculate the area of the above triangle, it will be half base and height is left and right side of 90 degrees. So the left side is 3 under root 3 and the right side is 3. We have two triangles, so multiply by 2. This is the area of complete shape minus area of the sector, half r square theta. The radius is 3 and the theta is 2 pi by 3. So, what is the final answer? So, the final answer is 9 under root 3 minus 3 pi. This is the final answer, as we have to write the answer in terms of under root 3 and pi. Okay, now, question number 24 is from May June 13, paper 1-1. The diagram is given here. OAC is a semicircle and OAB is an arc, right? A sector, right? Find the area of the semicircle OAC is twice the area of the sector. A condition is given. The area of the circle is twice the area of the sector, right? Find alpha in terms of pi. Okay. Let's say this is A1. Let's say this is A1 and this is A2. Now, in the first part, A1 किसके इक्वल है? Twice of A2. ऐसा ही A2 को डबल किया जाएगा तो बनेगा ना. नजर आ रहा है सामने कि बड़ा एरिया कौन सा है? A1 is equal to twice of A2. A1 is equal to twice of A2. Now, how to calculate A1? Half. How to calculate A1? Yes, mister. How to calculate A1? A1 is semicircle. So it is pi r square divided by 2. So half pi r square or pi r square divided by 2, right? Pi r square divided by 2. Any confusion? Semicircle. Area of semicircle equals to twice. A2 is sector. The formula is half r square theta, and theta is alpha. Any confusion? Yes, mister. हाँ वो लिखते हैं अभी, right? Yes. 2A1 नहीं होगा. No. Beta, how to calculate A1? A1 is a big thing, right? A1 किसके इक्वल है? अगर A2 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें, A2 स्मॉल है ना, A2 का ट्वाइस अगर कर दिया जाए तो वो A1 आ जाएगा. अब सुनिएगा, here is pi. The radius of the semicircle is half of 8, which is 4, divided by 2, equals to 2 and 2 cancel out. The radius of this sector is 8, and then alpha here. Radius is 8 only, right? Where is pi? Radius is 8 only. Okay. The radius of the sector with center O is 8, right? Beta, semicircle is, this is diameter of the semicircle. So half of the diameter is the radius. Now, after that, 4 square is 16. 16 pi into 16 divided by 2 equals to 64. Alpha. 2, how much is 16? 8, how much is 64? 8. We need to find alpha in terms of pi. So alpha is equal to pi by 8. This is the result. Are you clear? Any confusion? No. Yes.
फिर इसमें A1 A2 ऐसे निकाल के ही निकालेंगे.
After that, now find the perimeter of the complete figure in terms of pi. Now, first of all, for perimeter, we have to write all the outlines. So the perimeter is, can I say that it is equal to OB, straight line, BA, curve, ACO, curve. What is OB, everyone? 8. We don't have BA, but BA is arc length, which is equals to R theta, and the radius is 8, and the theta is alpha. For the arc length BA, is equals to R theta. The radius is 8 and theta is alpha. Now, for BA, it is equals to R theta. R radius is 8 and theta is alpha. Plus ACO. ACO, ये क्या है? सेमी सर्किल का perimeter. This is pi r square divided by, and what is the radius? So, yes, sorry, 2 pi r divided by 2. क्योंकि perimeter of the complete circle is 2 pi r. So semicircle क्या हो गया? 2 pi r. तो semicircle क्या हो गया? Pi r. Complete circle is 2 pi r. तो semicircle क्या हो गया? Pi r. And the radius is 4. This time the radius is 4. This time the radius is 4. Now 8 plus 8, alpha is pi by 8 plus 4 pi. 8 and 8 cancel out. So it will be 8 plus 5 pi. This is the final answer. Are you clear? Now, question number 25 is from May June 13, paper 1-2. The diagram here is given a sector OBXC with a center O. Show that angle BOC is this. Angle BOC. We have to calculate angle BOC. हमें angle BOC calculate करना है. Check करते हैं. क्या कहा गया? The diagram shows a square. The diagram shows a square. The midpoint of AD is O. If the midpoint of AD is O, then this is 5 and this is 5. Yes or no? क्योंकि it's a square, right? तो अगर ये 10 है तो ये भी 10 होगी. Now, in the first part, I am calculating angle X. Calculating angle X. Can I say that tan X equals to 10 over 5? What is the value of X? .11. Therefore, angle BOC is बच्चों, this is also X. BOC is 180, means pi minus 2x. So pi minus 2x is 0.9273. This we have to prove. Clear? Now, after that, in the second part, find the perimeter of the shaded region. How to calculate the perimeter of the shaded region? It's a segment. Perimeter of sector minus perimeter, sorry. What we have to calculate the perimeter, sorry, perimeter of the shaded region. So we have to write all the things. BC straight line plus BXC a curve. BC straight line, how can we calculate the straight line BC? How can we calculate the straight line BC? It is given because the diagram is a square. It is 10 plus BXC is arc and the formula is S equals to R theta and the radius is OB or OC. Radius is OB or OC. So here it is OB or OC and the theta is 0.9273. How to calculate OB or OC? How to calculate OB or OC? By using Pythagoras theorem. So it will be 10 plus OB is the hypotenuse side. So it will be under root 5 square plus 10 square multiplied by 0.9273. What is the answer?
10.37
10.3.
plus 10.
So 20.37. The final answer is 20.37. This is the final result for the perimeter. And after that, in the third part, area of the shaded region. How to calculate area? Area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector is half R squared. Radius is OB. What is this?
5
5 under root 5. Half R squared theta. And the theta is 0.9273. Minus area of triangle. Half R squared sine theta. Calculate the answer. What is the final result? So, which one? Yes, तो साइन ही तो लिखा है. This is area of sector minus area of triangle. .95 is the area of shaded region. Question number 26 from May June 13, paper 1-3. Show that the angle POQ is pi by 4. Show that the angle POQ is pi by 4. We have to prove this angle. How to prove this angle? What is given? The diagram shows a circle with center C, radius 3, radii OP, OQ are extended to S and R. ORS is sector of circle with center O. Given that PS is 6 and the area of the shaded region is equal to the area of circle. This is the condition. क्योंकि हमें एंगल POQ प्रूफ करना था, मुझे कोई चीज नजर नहीं आ रही थी सामने, तो फिर हमने क्वेश्चन रीड किया, देखा कोई कंडीशन तो गिवन नहीं, एंड द कंडीशन इज हियर area of the shaded region is equal to area of circle, right? So can I say that area of shaded region is equal to area of circle? And what is area of shaded region? Area of big sector minus area of small sector. Area of big sector is half R squared. The radius is 3, sorry, area of big sector. For the big sector, area equals to half R squared, 9 squared. Let's say this is theta. Half R squared theta minus half R square for small sector. The radius is 3. Theta is equal to area of circle is pi R squared, pi into 3 squared. Any confusion? Area of big sector minus area of small sector equals to area of circle. Now, अब आप देखिए 9 square is 81. 81 divided by 2. 81 theta divided by 2 minus 9 theta divided by 2 equals to 9 pi. 2 LCM लिया जाए, 81 minus 9 will be 72. Theta equals to 2 cross multiply 18 pi, and theta equals to 18 divided by 72 is 1 upon 4 pi. The angle is 1 upon 4 pi. Are you clear? Second one, find a perimeter. How to calculate the perimeter? Again, we have to write the outlines. PQ, arc length, RS, arc length plus twice PS. For PQ arc length, R theta 3, and the theta is pi by 4. For RS arc length, radius is 9 and theta is pi by 4. Calculate. Plus twice PS is 6. What is the final answer? डेसिमल में बता दीजिए क्योंकि इसमें लिखा हुआ नहीं है कुछ. 21.4 is the final result. Are you clear? Okay, students, now question number 27 is from October, November 13, paper 1-1. The diagram is here. All the stories are given in the question. First part, the perimeter of the metal plate. Perimeter of the metal plate is here. The complete diagram is a plate, is a metal plate, right? Now, first, for perimeter A, E, D, arc, the big unshaded thing, AED is arc, plus AB, straight line, plus BC, arc, plus CD, straight line. These are the things for perimeter. SI outline. Clear? Now, how to calculate AED? It is equal to R theta. It is equal to R theta. And the radius is R. And theta is this. And what is this? 360 minus alpha. And 360 is 2 pi minus alpha. 2 pi minus alpha. Any confusion? S equals to R theta. Now, after that, AB is R, so CD is also R. AB is R and CD is also R. What is BC? Arc length, R theta. The radius is 2R. 2R and theta is alpha, plus CD is again R. So it will be 2 pi R minus R alpha plus R plus 2R alpha plus R. Now, R and R, 2R minus R alpha and plus 2R alpha is R alpha and plus 2 pi R. Yes. No. ये तो प्लेट के अंदर है ना, हमें तो आउटलाइन देखना होता है. R it will be 2 plus alpha plus 2 pi. We have to go on the outlines. बेटा ये तो प्लेट के अंदर एक चीज है. It's just a line here. It's just a line here to show the angle. It's not the outline. Clear? Now, after that, the second part is area of the metal plate. Area of the metal plate is first this area, and the second one is this area. SI. First this area, and what is this? The yellow thing is a sector. Yellow thing is a sector, a big sector, right? How to calculate the area of sector? It will be half r square theta, and the theta is 2 pi minus alpha, plus half r square, and the radius is 2r theta, and the theta is alpha, right? So now it will be, if I half r square 2 pi minus alpha plus half 4r square alpha, cancel out. So now if I take common, क्या कॉमन आ सकता है? आर स्क्वायर कॉमन लिया हमने, so it will be half 2 pi minus alpha plus 2 alpha. I think it's enough. This we have to find the area in terms of alpha, in terms of r, and in terms of pi, right? After that, in the third part, it is now given that the shaded and unshaded pieces are equal in area. Find alpha in terms of pi. Areas are equal. The blue area is equal to the yellow one, right? So I'm saying that, let's say area of sector, small sector, चले मैं यहाँ पर लिख रहा हूँ, area yellow is equal to area blue. Exactly. और एरिया येलो क्या है हमारे पास? दिस इज. एंड एरिया ब्लू क्या है हमारे पास? दिस इज. इफ आई क्रिएट बोथ ऑफ देम, हाफ आर स्क्वायर 2 पाई माइनस अल्फा इक्वल टू हाफ 4r square alpha. Half and half cancel out. R square cancel out. This one square करके लिखा है मैंने. And it will be 2 pi minus alpha 4 alpha alpha equals to 2 over 5 pi. Clear? 8 marks question. Now, question number 28 is from October number 13, paper 1-2. बच्चों, फिगर 1 shows a hollow cone. जब इसको जिस पेपर से ये कोन बनी है, इस पेपर को जब ओपन किया गया तो ये सेक्टर बनकर आ गया. ऐसा ही? यस बॉयज. अब एक चीज जरा इंपॉर्टेंट सुन लीजिए. व्हाट इज द आर्क लेंथ? व्हाट इज द आर्क लेंथ ऑफ द सेक्टर? इट इज circumference of base circle of cone. ये क्या है? जो बेस में सर्किल है उसका सर्कमफेरेंस है. और AO क्या है? दिस इज कॉल्ड स्लांट हाइट ऑफ कोन. दिस इज कॉल्ड स्लांट हाइट ऑफ कोन. और ये क्या कहला रहा है? दिस इज सर्कमफेरेंस और perimeter of base circle of the cone. Right? Clear? अब देखिए क्या कहा गया. We have to calculate theta. We have to calculate theta. For theta, how to calculate theta? We have a formula. S equals to r theta. If we have S, if we have r, we'll calculate theta. Now, how to calculate S? S basically क्या है? Circumference of the circle. तो S अगर मैं कैलकुलेट कर रहा हूं तो circumference of the circle क्या है? 2 pi r, and the radius is 2 pi, radius is 6, which is equal to 12 pi. And what is this? R is the slant height. How to calculate the slant height? By using Pythagoras theorem. 8 square plus 6 square कितना है आंसर? 10. So the radius is 10 by using S equals to R theta. S is 12 pi equals to 10 theta. The value of theta is 1.2 pi. The value of theta is 1.2 pi और आप लोग क्या करें 6/5 pi कुछ भी लिखे जा सकते. Any confusion? Clear it is? Next one. The area of the paper needed to make the cone. We have to calculate the area of this second part. Area equals to half r squared. Radius is 10 and theta is this. Theta is 1.2 pi. What is the answer? 6 pi is the result. Huh? No, 6 pi.
10 square.
Oh, sorry. Yes. 10 squared. So it will be 100. So the answer will be 60 pi. The answer is 60 pi. Clear? Any confusion? No. Question number 29. It is October, November 13, paper 1-3. In the first part, the area of the shaded region is equal to K times the area of the unshaded region. I'm saying that, let's say this is A1, this is A2. In the first part, A1 is K times A2. A1 is K times A2. Find K. We have to calculate the value of K. Right? सुनिएगा इधर. Can I say that? Can I say that A1 is equals to area of sector minus A2? Area of complete sector minus A2? Yes or no? Now, so it is area of sector minus A2 equals to K times A2. Area of sector is equals to K times A2 plus A2. ऐसा ही है. Area of sector is equals to A2 common K plus 1. Now, what is area of sector? Area of sector is half r squared. The radius is 11. Half r squared theta, and the theta is alpha, equals to, what is A2? A2 is half r squared. The radius is 5. Theta is alpha, K plus 1. K plus 1. Now, half and half cancel out. Alpha and alpha cancel out. K plus 1 is equals to 11 square is 121 divided by 25. What is the value of K? 96 upon 25. 96 upon 25 is the value of K. Are you clear? Any confusion? No. After that, the second part. Yes, stop working. The second part. The perimeter of the shaded region is equal to the twice of the perimeter of the unshaded region. Perimeter of the shaded region. Now I'm saying that this is perimeter 1, perimeter of the shaded region. This is perimeter 2, perimeter of the unshaded region. कहा गया है the perimeter of the shaded region is equal to twice. P1 is equals to twice the perimeter of the unshaded region. P1 is equals to twice P2. ये लिखा perimeter 1 में क्या क्या चीजें आ रही हैं बेटा? AC और BD. क्या मैं लिख सकता हूं 2AC straight line plus CD arc length plus AB arc length. ऐसा ही है. Equals to twice the perimeter 2. पेरीमीटर 2 में क्या है? OC 2 बार, स्ट्रेट लाइन प्लस CD 1 बार, आर्क लाइन। ऐसा ही, एनी कंफ्यूजन? आउटलाइंस को हमने सिर्फ यहां पर लिख दिया है। नाउ व्हाट इज AC? Like 11 minus 5, which is equals to 6, plus what is CD? This is R theta, so 5 alpha. What is AB? 11 alpha, equals to 2 2s are 4. What is OC? 5 plus 2. What is CD? R 5 alpha. आ रही है बात समझ में? 5 alpha और एक 5 alpha कैंसिल। आ रही बात समझ? ओके, 2 6 are 12 plus 5 alpha, 2 6 are 12 plus 5 alpha और प्लस 11 अल्फा, कितना हो गया? 16 अल्फा, इक्वल टू 5 4 जा 10 अल्फा, 10 अल्फा इधर आया तो 6 अल्फा, उधर गए 20 minus 12 is 8. The value of alpha is 4/3. Are you clear? Any confusion? Okay, students, now question number 30. It is of May June 12th, paper 1-1. We have to calculate the area of the shaded portion, which is equals to area of triangle minus area of sector. Area of triangle, the angle is of 60 degrees, which is pi by 3. Why? Because it's an equilateral triangle. So now, area of triangle, half the two sides. So 2 and 2, r squared means the 2 and 2 is 2 squared, and theta is pi by 3. Isn't it? Sine pi by 3. Half the two sides, sine pi by 3. And area of sector is half r squared. Now, for this, we need r. For this, we need r. How to calculate r? There are different methods to calculate r. It's an equilateral triangle. So if I drop a perpendicular here, if I dropped a perpendicular here at Q, so AQ is the height of the triangle. AQ is the height of the triangle, and also it is the radius for the sector. अगर हमें AQ calculate करना हो, we have this angle pi by 6, आधा हो गया ना pi by 3 का. And in the right angle triangle, here it is 90 degrees, hypotenuse is 2. We have to calculate base side. So cos pi by 6. The adjacent side is AQ. Exactly. Yes, we can do it by Pythagoras also, because it is 1. AQ divided by, I'm doing it like this. AQ divided by 2. So what is AQ? What is cos pi by 6? What is cos pi by 6? Under root 3/2 is cos pi by 6. Multiply by 2. So AQ is under root 3. So half AQ is under root 3. So it will be half area of sector r squared under root 3 squared theta. Theta is pi by 3. So now it will be 2. What is sine pi by 3? Under root 3/2 is sine pi by 3. Minus half under root 3 squared is 3. Here it is pi by 3. 2 and 2 cancel out. It is under root 3. Minus 3 and 3 cancel out. Half pi. This is the final answer.